Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here again to share an important information, a very exciting video with us. It is a back-to-back video. Biafra Liberation Army are still, in doing the needful. The video that are coming out, the news that are flowing around about the strength and the wisdom that Biafran is Liberation Army is beating is exciting and lovely to see. In this video, a Biafran man happened to be in security agency of Nigeria is being caught by Biafran Liberation Army. See what happened.
Landelu, Landoya, Landozo, Landamiri, awụpụkwara m ya onu asị ụbọchị taa orie ya makwara anyị mma ihe a bụ 3 o'clock elekere anya atọ nke mgbede pụtata wụ Friday 22nd wụ n'ime ọnwa Septemba 2023 anyị ji ohere ọma wele wetara mba niile ozi a wele agọcharakwa ọfọ maka na o ji ihe nwata weli aka elu nke ikpeazụ aka marụ ya ama jiri ya once maka na obere gbu a ga-egbu onwe ya onye isi anyị na-awa ajọ eji nke wee chụọ ụzọ ga-echekwaba anyị na Eke, ụzọ ga-echekwaba anyị na Orie, ụzọ ga-echekwaba anyị na Afọ, ụzọ ga-echekwaba anyị na Nkwọ. Anyị laa n'ụbọchị la anọ all life and direct you dey play
the show.
You don't say to, you don't do. Mazi Janto don't land on the stage again. Kwa gidibam gidibam. This is AKA Igwe Obatobie 1 na Loki Igwe. Ejimo ụbọchị tata bụ Friday 22nd n'ime ọnwa Septemba n'afọ 2023 wele wetara unu ozi ọma. I don't come again. This matter is very simple. So una dey see am. We there now, live and direct. Make una dey hear my voice clearly. This is Biafra Revolution Army. Whether una like it or not, na AKA Commander Gentle the Yahoo. Ogbu onye mgbe ndụ na-atọ ya ụtọ. Nigeria, know and remember, all Eastern region, remember far back when you people slaughtered my master, Ikonso. Now I don't come up. Una think say e go there like funa. You no go there like funa body. Una go dey collect am woto. Una dey see am. Una go dey collect am woto. I don't come again. It's very simple. Very simple. I have given you my location. You see the road? We there Isiweke to Omaiha Road. Now that we there life and direct. We know the hide. Understand? We know the hide. Understand that now. It's very simple. And I am still coming for that. Now this is one of the personnel in the country, in the zoological country. You know, they see Enugu, na know this man now. You say you from where? Come on, open up. You are from Ihiala and where?
From Mbos.
You are from Mbos in Ihiala. Where do you work? You work for?
With Federal Roads.
With Federal Road.
Safety.
Very wicked people.
You
know the Yaram? Where the word the Yaram?
Accident victims.
Confirm.
This is what got me out this morning. There was an accident around Omonia.
Mekuna the Yaram.
Call us. We went there. It is a big truck. There is no death.
Mekuna the Yaram.
And I came back. I said, okay, let me go and look for fibroid drugs for my sister. Because yesterday I called people. I said, this lockdown, coffee 6 to 12 is holding everywhere. And for the past 3 days, I never go out. I said that Prime Minister Mahathir has confirmed that it's only for government to shut down government offices, that every other business can go. I said, can people go out? They say yes. That was why I came out. So okay, let me go and look for drugs this morning. When they stopped me, because I am a Biafra, I stopped. Anything he asked me, I told him, I said, I am so person, but this is my stand. I'm almost pulling out by December. I have applied for retirement, but because there is a process, they could not allow me to pull out the money. I have been in Casina for those 7 years frustrated because I'm an Igbo man. Nothing is spending me.
Woo!
So
Okay, spending you.
seriously,
The thing is spending you.
because Igbos are being marginalized. And
You.
and one of the things that take me to the north is because I one Akwa Igbo man in the office. When I say Biafra has come to stay, saying a lie that we are wasting our time. I said, lie. I didn't know he called people in Africa. And they transferred me from Ebola to the north. I was being frustrated for good 7 years. To transfer was a problem. And I
Because of
succeeded.
you, an Igbo man.
Because I'm an Igbo man. Even in
Copy.
the office.
Hold on. I just want to appreciate our people these days. And to give this message, this is a powerful message to Hope Uzodimba. And I am still coming back again today at my office. Hope Uzodimba, hear this clearly. You are just beating around the bush.
Yes.
All Eastern leaders, you should listen. It's very, very simple. Remember, when we were carrying flag on the streets, you people were destroying our lives, killing us and destroying our houses, killing our brothers anyhow, thinking that all those people that you have been killing, that they doesn't have people that can intervene for them.
Yes.
That they don't have people that can stand gidigban for them. Now we don't read. These days, I must remind for you people, I am the nigger, the guy, the commander that was standing at Ikoso's back. And now I have come out. These days, now una go hear say, Biafran, no be small pikin again. Biafran don't grow up.
Not so.
And let me tell you, all Eastern region, this is warning for you all. Biafran nation is unbeatable.
Yes.
And there is no way that you people can beat Biafrans.
Yes.
Here we are. Isiweketo, Omahia Road. Now there we there. Gidibam. Now let me warn you, Hope. Stop killing innocent souls. Stop burning houses in Mbano. Stop killing people that did not do anything to you. Those communities that you are manipulating your evil mind to, they did not even know that we entered that place. They don't even know when we entered that place. Hope, I must warn you. Hope. Or Eastern region, I must warn you people. This thing is very simple. Ask how will the problem stop? Hope, you are the father of all this insecurity in Biafra land. All Eastern region is the father. They are the one that planted the unknown government in Eastern region. They are the one that pushes us into this movement. You people cannot deny it. Now I have called this young man. But I must tell you the truth. For you to know and to understand that we are not wicked to our brothers. I will set him free. I must set him free. Hear me out. I am Igwe Obatopia one in Okigwe. Baburuburu. Come on, keep quiet.
Come on.
I am Igwe Obatopia one in Okigwe Baburuburu. We are not against our people. Immediately I saw him.
You see, this is the reason why I want us to share this video. This is the reason why I want you to watch, because some people believe that Biafran Liberation Army is against everybody, whether you are Igbo, whether you are wherever you are, whether you are civilians, that they are after everybody. Some people think that they are like Fulani herdsmen terrorizing, communities and villagers and all that. But seeing what happened here, you understand that they are focused, they have the agenda, they know what they are looking for, and they have what they want to achieve. They are not deviating from that. They are not, criminal element as some, government agencies or security agencies are portraying them to be. It is always good for you to use yourself, your eyes, to see and do your own investigation to find out if truly what people are saying negatively about the Biafran Liberation Army, or even when it comes to our own day-to-day activities. When you are doing something, it's always good for you to, investigate, do your own research, find out the truth behind the story that you heard before you can conclude. Now, what you are seeing, what you have seen in this video, shows that Biafran Liberation Army are not criminal elements. They are not kidnappers. They are not unknown gunmen. They are not thugs. You can see how professional they are. You can see the understanding. You can see the wisdom they exhibit here. I really love the fact that they did not do something strange or harm the man. You can see how gently they talk to him, passing information, educate him about the job they are out to do and what they want to achieve. This is very, very commendable. I really appreciate the commander and the team. I really love what they did. It is very, very happy, excited to see. I'm very so happy that they did not end up doing something funny to them, because I was even, you know, thinking that maybe they will, since he's a security agency, they may decide to harm him or something like that. But you can see the wisdom and knowledge they have. I want to say to everyone who happened to think negative, about the Biafran Liberation Army before, that after watching this video, you will help and share the news, pass this information so that people will know and have the idea and clue what they're out for. They are not out to do something strange, or you know, or to kidnap or to make money. They did not ask any money. They did not ask anything. That is very wonderful. Anyway, I don't want the video to be too long. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share. See you in my next video. Bye bye.